What's the cost of not improving your home? Great question. It's one many homeowners overlook. The cost of not improving your home isn't just financial. Here are 9 significant impacts to be aware of. Number 1, deferred maintenance gets expensive. Small issues like leaks, rot, or outdated wiring, if left untouched, often lead to bigger, costlier repairs down the track. Number 2, lost property value. Homes that aren't maintained or updated often underperform in the market compared to modernised ones. Potential buyers notice outdated kitchens, bathrooms, or worn exteriors and adjust their offers downward. Number 3, higher running costs. Old insulation, windows, heating, and plumbing systems are less efficient, which means higher energy and water bills. Number 4, living in frustration. Outdated layouts, lack of storage, and poor flow create daily annoyances that affect quality of life. Number 5, limited use of space. A basement, garage, or spare room left unimproved is wasted potential living space. Number 6, safety concerns. Old roofing, damp basements, or outdated electrical systems can pose health and safety risks. Number 7, renovation momentum. The longer improvements are delayed, the more construction costs rise. Labour, materials, compliance costs. Number 8, missed equity growth. Home upgrades typically add more value than their cost if done well. Delaying them means missing out on increased resale value sooner. And the big one, number 9, lifestyle opportunities. A home that doesn't work for you and your family's needs limits what you can do. Things like entertaining, working from home, or simply enjoying your space. Why compromise? In short, the longer you wait to improve your home, the more it costs. The more money, the more stress, and the more missed opportunities. Are you sure you should be waiting?